Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPhone 60 Plus and I want to show you how manage your passwords on this device. First step to do it is opening your passwords application, where we must enter our lock screen to get connected to that, and there we have all passwords which our smartphone remember. We can tap on all and find the website which we want to manage our password, maybe to this one. In it we can see our username. After we press on it, it shows us password. We can copy it. There we have website from which this password is. There we can share this password to someone if we need it, or edit something in username, passwords, or in website which from is it, and change group which our passwords access have. Or we can delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. After you customize it, remember to press done to confirm it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.